Hi guys, and welcome back again. I am still George Steve and I'm still with you guys right here. Alright guys, today we'll be ending the software development of the PCB, and in the next tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and start to print this guy out, and we'll go ahead and start executing this in real life. I'm gonna still take you step by step on the hardware implementation and how to do the step-by-step process, but your etching, how you're gonna etch, and how to drill. Yes, you're gonna learn how to drill everything. You're gonna learn how to etch. You're gonna learn everything step by step. I bet you don't need to stress yourself. Just relax yourself, and we'll get this done. And you're gonna see the circuit working in real life, and you're gonna see the board, a very sweet board as well. All right, move your mouse right now to output. Today we're looking at the 3D visualization of our circuit. So we're gonna see how it looks in real life here. So click on output and move down right now. You see 3D visualization and click on 3D visualization. All right, let me bring this in close. Wow, most of us are like, wow. So I hope that is cool. Oh guys, yeah, I'm very happy because we are here, and this is what we're expecting to see. Just a very simple circuit. You can see I can be able to rotate it. If you want to rotate this guy, you can just click on the body and move your mouse and it will rotate anyhow you want it to rotate. You can see that. Just play around with it. Or if you don't want to click, don't want to do this right this way because it's really messing up, move your mouse down here. You can see top view. You can click on top view. You can see that you can just change the way any way you want it to be. Let me just keep it here. Or you can just come here and click zoom. You can see zoom in, it will bring this guy out and bring it in, and send that cursor for you to rotate that guy. You see that I can rotate it right now. All right, so that is all about rotation, and I'm go ahead and click on top view again and right here, and the shortcut is just hold your control key, and you see your navigation up, down, side, negative, side, positive, any of them, just move. You can see that I hold my control key and I can rotate it around here. And look at the bottom, you can see www.gsteveworld.com, and you can see that .com actually exceeded. Don't ever mind that thing, don't ever mind that guy. Do you understand? Don't ever mind that guy. And you can see my 5 volts PSU. It's not just looking the same way we wrote them. Yes, and you can see my 220 ohms, and this is my 220 ohms. I want to point out something. You can see that my else is really touching this copper, but make sure that this and this are not ever touching together. So you can go ahead and shift this in your own so that it doesn't affect it and doesn't touch this copper at all. Check it out and be able to separate it. So if you print our GSTIF, it's gonna look just the same way we designed it. It's not gonna look this way. Yeah, I bet you it's not gonna look this way, so don't ever freak out. And the 5 volts PSU is not gonna look this way as well. Yes, I bet you that. Alright guys, it's really amazing. Let's look at the front again. So this is the front. You can see my PSU, and let's check it back again. So this is my positive and negative outputs are there, the output terminals. Alright, this is my negative terminal, and let's go ahead and check it out. I hope this is very cool. And this is my rectifier. That's my rectifier, my regulator. I don't know why I like calling you a rectifier. And this is my LED here, and my positive terminal output and the negative terminal output are there, and my 220 volts is still here, and I still have my AC input here, and my T1, my T in and my T out are there. Bridge rectifier is still here and it's written on top and everything. You can see my bridge rectifier here as well. You can see my capacitor 2200 microfarads by 25 volts is still there, and my IN 4007 or any name. I don't check out that name and make sure it's correct. All right. Okay, guys, and I hope this circuit is really very fine. Yeah, to me it's okay. I don't know of you. Let me position it again, and this is where it looks, and everything is really looking fine. If I go ahead and move my mouse directly to show components, you can see that, and you can see height components and always and show components. Let me go ahead and click on show components, and you can see that the components just disappeared. And if you go ahead and click on it, it's gonna show the components, and this is what it's gonna be when we put no components in our board. I hope that is really making sense, guys. I hope you guys really love that. You can see the holes are open and everything is already open, and this is the way it's gonna look. It's very sweet. You can see that. Very sweet. All right. I hope you are being inspired, because I'm always inspired by little things I see. And height components, this shows you the height of the components as well. See, this is the height of the components. Yeah. So if you go ahead and click on the common guy, why are you showing as well? Go ahead and show components. It's gonna put us this back. You can see that it's really is back right now. Come on. All right, guys. I'll go ahead and remove the height components. I don't even need it, but I think I still have my components that are still there. Oh wow, it's really amazing, guys, and I love it so much. Don't ask me why, because I love components so much, and I'm electronic hobbies. I play with all these guys every day, and it really makes me happy. I don't know if you guys out there, if it really makes you happy as well. Because if you're really making you happy, you can be able to design more secures. Go ahead and check my video and my projects. You can see too many projects have actually done exhibited, and they're really making sense, and they're really moving, and I am very happy that we are moving together. Thank you, guys. See you in the next tutorial where we'll be printing this thing, and I'll be teaching you that from start to finish, and that's be the next thing that we're gonna do. And yeah, that'll be the next thing we're gonna do. That is gonna be on the hardware part. This is the software part. It's gonna be on the hardware part. All right. So this video for PCB development has two different videos and two different tutorials. One is PCB software design and PCB hardware design. So check out my video on PCB hardware design, and try to join other students there, and let's print out exactly what we have printed, what we have designed, and this is exactly what we'll be printing. We are not designing any other thing except this. So before you go over to that tutorial, first of all, finish this tutorial, and then this is where you are right now. So that is really very interesting, and I am happy that we are here, and this is the end of PCB software development. All right, so see you in the next tutorial, PCB hardware development, and it's gonna be very sweet and very awesome as well. Thank you, guys, and I love all of you, and I am still George Steve, and I'm still with you guys right here. I think I should put some like www just on top of this board. So let me go ahead and put that and see it out. Oh yeah, don't ask me why I'm doing that. Yeah. All right. So I don't need to do that. Let me just go ahead and keep. Stop. All right. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you later. I am still George Steve, and I'm still with you guys right here. So bye for now, and see you in hardware PCB hardware development.